Hi, we are from Sarogi Venture Private Limited. We are the manufacturer of electric vehicles. Our factory is at Moinabad. We are Hyderabad-based company, and we are manufacturing both high-speed and low-speed models. And we have both the lithium and lead-acid batteries. That is the graphene batteries. So we are giving. And our models are already we have displayed in our Hyderabad Expo. Here we have high speed models. We have this is let me show you the high speed model. This is our high speed model lighting. So this model is very latest model. It goes up to 110 kilometers per hour. Mileage is 110 kilometers, and its maximum speed is 70 kilometers per hour. It both runs in lithium battery and lead acid battery. It has a dual battery system.
You can show the battery how it will be there.
Yeah. So customer can have this dual battery advantages. If one battery gets exhausted, then he can switch over to the next battery. Each battery capacity is 23 H each battery capacity. So it runs to 46 H. So we have also introduced one single lithium battery, that 41 H battery also we have. And this particular vehicle can run through lead acid battery. That's the graphene battery. Then we have one very beautiful model, that is Warrior. This is also a high-speed registered, non-registered model. So this goes up to 90 kilometers with the lithium battery. This can be run through graphene battery also.
Okay.
So if anybody wants to have this wants to make it as a commercial based vehicle, then the Swiggy, Zomato, we can use this way. It is also a low speed non-registered model. So it also comes with the graphene battery, lead acid battery, and the lithium battery. So the composition is up to 60-30 with the lithium battery, and with the lead acid battery it is 60-28, 60-32. So its maximum speed is 45 km per hour, and because it is a ICAT approved, so normally the speed is 25. If
Okay.
anybody wants to get it the speed of 40-45, then we'll get it done. And its maximum kilometer is up to 90 kilometers if he is running with a lithium battery with 60 volt 30 H battery.
So you can explain that how.
Again, one of the base model we have Maki. So it comes with the lead acid and the lithium battery. So if you want to run with the lead acid or lithium battery, they can run it. So the price almost starts with the 49,900 with the graphene battery. The same composition, like the lead acid battery, the maximum kilometer is up to 65, and it goes up to 90 kilometers also. It's using 60
So what is the price?
Price starting from 49,900.
Any EMI? EMI possible?
facilities, we do have finance facilities. So we
Okay.
have ICICI Bank, we have Kotak Bank, we have Bajaj, we have Cash Finance. So it depending upon the customer choice.
You can
So this I have model name is Rabbit. So this also comes with the graphene battery and legacy battery. So the main advantage of all these vehicles is that the features, I'm talking about the features. The features is that we can unlock this vehicle and lock this vehicle with this remote.
Okay.
And if anybody suppose is trying to take it without the key, if anybody owns, I'm talking about the anti-theft features, so it will automatically start alarming.
If you don't, I can. Please explain how it will work.
Yeah, suppose if I am doing it if I'm locking it.
Okay.
So if anybody will do any kind of activity with this vehicle,
Okay.
so it will start.
So automatically.
Yeah. And
Okay.
It will not stop.
Okay.
So that is the main thing. Very beautiful feature. So we have. So even if anybody wants to take it without key, the handle is open, suppose. So it will not go further. It has a locking system. So the rear wheel will get locked automatically.
Achha, okay.
Yeah. So it will not go forward also or not
Go to
it will
backward.
the back side. So all the vehicles is almost having the same feel.
Yes. I think we have auto now. You can explain about auto or something.
That I will explain.
Sure.
And where is any customer wants to buy our model, our event brand, then they can contact us in Hyderabad only. We have dealer in Hyderabad, in Jalgaon, Suryapet, and if they want to get the distributorship of this company or dealership of the company, so they can contact us directly. They can contact our company, Sarogi Venture Private Limited directly. So they will get the distributor and dealership also. And if they want to get it, want to ride for individual, so we have dealer. Our dealer is at Suryapet, Jalgaon, and the dealer name is Trinetra Eco. So that details you will get it, and we will give you all the details and the phone number, contact number, everything we will give you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
That's why it was going